Today on the Daily Dose, the basic practices of Buddhism. The basic teachings of Buddha, who lived in northern India during the 6th century BCE, include the 3 universal truths, the 4 noble truths, and the Noble Eightfold Path. The 3 universal truths insist that nothing is lost in the universe, for every event that occurs will be followed by another event whose existence was caused by the first, and this second event will be pleasant or unpleasant based on a person's good or bad karma employed in causing the first event. Buddhists also focus on 3 trainings or practices, including Sila, or the principle of human equality. Much like the Golden Rule in Christianity, Sila teaches people to do unto others as you would wish them to do unto you. Samadhi is the practice of concentration, meditation, and mental development, which allows for freedom from suffering by strengthening the mind's ability to maintain good conduct. The third training is Prajna, which is the real heart of Buddhism, teaching that through discernment, insight, and enlightenment, wisdom will prevail if your mind is pure and calm. Buddha also established the 4 noble truths, which further explore the nature of human suffering. The first is dukkha, or the understanding that suffering is real and universal, caused by loss, sickness, pain, failure, and the impermanence of pleasure. Samudaya is the second noble truth, which states that suffering is due to a person's desire to have and control things. It can take many forms, including craving sensual pleasures, the desire for fame and notoriety, and the desire to avoid unpleasant sensations, such as fear, anger, and jealousy. Nirodha is the third noble truth, which maintains that attachment and suffering can be vanquished by the final liberation of nirvana, when the mind frees itself of all desires and cravings. Magga comprises the 4th noble truth, or the final death of suffering, which can only be achieved by following 8 principles of right thinking and controlled physical behavior. And there you have it, the basic practices of Buddhism. Today on the Daily Dose, get your nerd on with the Daily Dose and learn something new every day. Subscribe to the Daily Dose on YouTube or sign up for emails at dailydosenow.com.